Are you a small business owner looking for financial support to grow or sustain your business? Government grants can be valuable resources to help you achieve your business goals without taking on additional debt. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of applying for a small business government grant, providing you with the necessary information and steps to increase your chances of success. Research grant opportunities. Start by researching government grant programs available at the federal, state, and local levels. Visit government websites, grant databases, and business support organizations to identify grant opportunities that align with your business needs and objectives. Understand eligibility requirements. Review the eligibility criteria for each grant program to ensure your business meets the requirements. Eligibility criteria may include factors such as business size, industry sector, location, minority status, and specific project objectives. Prepare your business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. Clearly articulate how the grant funds will be used to support your business growth and contribute to the local economy. Gather required documentation. Collect all the necessary documentation and information required for the grant application. This may include business registration documents, financial statements, tax returns, project proposals, and any additional supporting documents specified by the grant program. Complete the application form. Fill out the grant application form accurately and thoroughly, providing detailed information about your business and project. Tailor your application to meet the specific requirements of the grant program and highlight your business's strengths and capabilities. Submit your application. Submit your completed application by the specified deadline through the designated application portal or submission method. Ensure that all required fields are filled out and all necessary attachments are included with your application. Follow up on your application. After submitting your application, stay proactive in following up with the grant-making agency to track the status of your application. Be prepared to provide additional information or clarification if requested during the review process. Review and accept grant terms. If your application is successful, carefully review the terms and conditions of the grant award. Make sure you understand the grant requirements, reporting obligations, and any restrictions associated with the grant funding. Utilize grant funds wisely. Once you receive the grant funds, use them responsibly and according to the terms outlined in the grant agreement. Keep accurate records of how the funds are spent and be prepared to provide reports or documentation as required by the grant-making agency. Monitor and evaluate your progress. Continuously monitor the progress of your business project funded by the grant and evaluate its impact on your business growth and success. Be prepared to provide updates or reports on your project's outcomes to the grant-making agency as requested. By following these steps and leveraging available resources, you'll be well equipped to navigate the process of applying for a small business government grant successfully. Remember to stay organized, persistent, and proactive throughout the application process, and don't hesitate to seek assistance or guidance from business advisors or support organizations if needed.